driving while intoxicated, second offense. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay.
On March 7th, 2025, Officer 1 was dispatched to check by a unit at the 3800th block of Breville Street regarding a minor crash. Officer 1 made contact with Officer 2, who on-viewed a two-motor vehicle accident. Officer 2 observed the defendant operating a silver Ford minivan and crashed with a black Hyundai Santa Fe. Both drivers were moved to a gas station. The witness observed the defendant driving the silver minivan and stated she observed the defendant crash into her. The officer observed the defendant to have bloodshot, glossy eyes and sluggish speech and poor balance. SFSTs were administered, 6 out of 6 clues on the HDN, 5 out of 8 clues on the walk and turn, 3 out of 4 clues on the one-leg stand. The defendant was placed under arrest and read the DIC, and he consented to provide a blood specimen.
It's not back.
No.
Prior to DUI, one from with us or any more?
It looks like there is a pending DUI from Galveston County from back in 2021.
Can you please confirm whether that is actually pending now? Because I'm going to have big issues if that is actually pending. Please. I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with your case, Mr. Wolf. I'm ordering you now. Just take a seat for me in the jury box. I'm not ready to go forward. I want to know if you have an open DWI. Come up, Mr. Wolf. Guys, I have found that there's probable cause to go forward with your DWI second in here. You also have another DWI in another county. Stop.
Okay, that was driver license. Yes, sir.
I don't want you to say anything. I will appoint you a lawyer today, but it's unacceptable that you continue to pick up cases here, there, everywhere. Unacceptable. And I don't think that a PR bond is the right thing to do. I'm now going to revoke the PR bond and he goes with you. You're a danger to our community. That's unacceptable.
Just driver.
Stop. I will appoint you a lawyer. I don't want you to say anything now. I would like, did you talk to a lawyer? Can you appoint him someone, please? You are not to drive at all. I don't care what you're going, what you need to do. Do not drive. The only thing I'm asking you to do is please don't kill someone on our roads. That's all I'm asking you to do, man. Every single day we have an intox man, an assault that happens because of this. Stop. There is probable cause to go forward. We have trials to determine that, but I have found that there's sufficient to go forward. You've got multiple cases open in another county. It goes with you. I will appoint you a lawyer. You tell your side to the lawyer and then we can talk after. Ready?
Judge, may we approach on bail on Mr. Wolf?
Okay.
Your Honor, as I mentioned information, so we did look it up on that case. Olson Galveston that it was active, but we just looked it up on their public records and that DWI, the same cause number on the NCIC was dismissed.
But he still has open Galveston cases.
Still has open Galveston cases there for, I guess, a possession of marijuana and a driving without a license. So those are the two, the DWI is not.
Did you want to bring him out? Mr. Wolf.
He's over an 8. And Judge, I did not talk to him all about the facts of his case, and normally I do before I approach. I just wanted to reapproach on the bond, so.
Yeah.
I've already told him I'd make an appointment to talk to him.
Have you run his license?
I'll run it right now. He is not eligible.
That's too much.
I think it's The clerk looked like driving, this is driving without a license, and just assumed that it was driving while intoxicated.
Yes, probably so. You said he does have,
Yeah.
charges in Galveston,
He does.
possession.
Someone locked the back gate and left it open for me. Now it's
Driving
closed.
with license. And then
That's, yeah, so,
Yeah. Let me make sure they're still there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I mean, I
It's
got a
okay.
job, I take probation, I got ankle monitor or something, I got a job and all that, I wasn't thinking and I was trying.
I'm gonna help you, but let's try to get it, let's at least try to get it lower to get you out today.
I'm going to do everything in my power to protect my community
Yes, sir.
at all costs. I don't care who you are. I don't care what color you are. If you're a small farm animal, everything in my power to protect my community.
Yes, sir.
You have 2 open cases in Galveston and now you've picked up a case here. Does he have a license?
it's not eligible.
You are not allowed to drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not going to drive, Mr. Wolf. And I want you to understand and hear me crystal clear that if I find that you drive and I don't give a rat's behind what your excuse is, I can have a contempt hearing. You can be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time you drive. I don't care that you need groceries. I don't care that a kid has to go to the hospital. I don't care that there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. If you don't have a Texas driver license and liability insurance, then you're not to drive. You now stand charged with the DWI second in this court. I am now also placing an additional restriction on your license that you're not allowed to drive any vehicle that doesn't have a guardian interlock on it. If you're caught driving a vehicle and it doesn't have an interlock on it, because I send notice to DPS in Austin so that every police officer in this state knows you get pulled over, you don't have an interlock on that car, they will take you directly to jail. I'm going to honor your PR bond today, but I'm putting a whole host of restrictions on you. And if I find that you violate these restrictions, I will violate that bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, and I'm telling you, I'm going to test you within the next couple weeks to see whether you are using. If 50 plus days have passed and you test positive for marijuana, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The only thing I care are my streets and that they're safe. And if you don't have a license and you ain't got insurance, then you're not going to drive. You will now get a portable device that you're going to take everywhere you go to prove to me that you're not using alcohol. And I'm telling you now, I'm going to test you for weed here momentarily. Hey. They filed 2 surrenders on Mr. Galvan's case. I just need to know your position. I sent you a picture of it. Can you just take a look and let me know what you say? Correct. Okay, I just wanted to know. Okay, thanks, Jim. All right, take care. I'm honoring our bond. I'm letting you out. You hold the keys to this jail cell. You know what's expected of you. You pick up a 4th case. I'm going to go cuckoo for Cocoa on your bond. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
We have also given you a lawyer. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with her. If she tells me she can't get a hold of you because you've gone AWOL, you've taken off, picked up a new case in another county or whatnot, that's it.
Give him a card before you take it back in there. Oh, okay. Thank you.
We'll have you come up here, swear to us that you're not going to drive. I will get you to Victoria where you will sign a reset You will then get with Fleischer for your bond conditions, and then you guys can talk about this case. Don't pick up a fourth case. Okay? All right, Ms. Tiggio.
Judge, may I be excused? I've made arrangements to talk to him about his case. I'll give him a call.
You ready?